he's still using his turning signal. I'm gonna be real. Catch him. Like, for me, I don't want him to get caught now. I'm gonna be real with you. First, I was for him because he didn't really do nothing too wrong. But it's like, bro, if you're gonna be legal and do all this legal ass shit, you might as well give your license and just said, bro, I just step out the car, my nigga, and try to go home. You feel me? Because now you finna go to prison. And I don't want fool in prison. But it's like, bro, you becoming a threat to everybody in the road. There's nobody on the road, but what if a deer might pop out? You might get afraid of your turn signal, my nigga, and hit another car. What are you GTA? They keep using his turn signals. And he not even using his turn signals efficiently, using his turn signals to go make, for example, turn signal right, then go left. Now he's using his turn signals to go right, and he's going right. He ain't playing no games about the illegal traffic laws. He trying to show him, nah, man, I was driving legally. Yeah.
Help me! He's trying to jump the fence over onto the freeway. Help me! Grab that leg! Do not do this, man. That's fine.
Yo, what's up, you feel me? You got a nice face. You really got a nice face, you feel me? Again, all the coming together, you feel me? No capper, but we're gonna make it work and stay consistent. Let's thank God for waking us up so beautiful day and night. It's been good. You know, chill out. There you go. Chill out. I don't want to play on recording right now. Like, chill out. I got some. Like I'm saying, you feel me? Let's thank y'all for waking us up so beautiful day and you bless me, mercy. I don't thank you. Yes, you for listening to support you making a black man. Come on. I gonna lie, you feel me? I'm gonna be real true, you feel me? Shout out Midwest Safety, you feel me, for this vid. You feel me? Let's see what it's talking about.
On January 18th, 2024, on a vehicle struggling to stay in its lane, what should have been a routine encounter would soon turn into a fight for their lives on the edge of a bridge.
Is that copies? Is that copies?
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hey, Officer Rikowski, Greendale, please. Police department, can you roll down your window for me? So the reason I'm stopping you having a hard time maintaining your lane, is there a reason for that, or? No. No? You got your driver's license on you? Where are you headed today? Where's work at?
No, I don't want. I'm going up the road.
I'm confused. Where you headed?
I'm going up the road.
Do you know where you are right now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm 136.
Okay. You know what city you're in? Franklin? Okay. So where you headed?
I'm driving around.
You're just driving around? Here's that back. I'll be right back up, okay?
So he said he just driving around. Okay, nothing too suspicious. We all just feel me. You driving around, it's like you just want to waste your gas. Okay.
Pouring more into social and search? Dave just realized.
For me, nothing too crazy so far, y'all. He just driving around, you feel me? Nothing wrong with driving around. It's just, hey, you feel me? You feel me? Yes.
Oh, fantastic. You guys got 5 priors. Okay. So he can't maintain his lane. Barely has his window open. Could smell the odor. And, I'm gonna probably take him back to the lobby. Because it's cold. Makes sense. And I could give him the option. You can do either one, but he's just very
69 traffic.
slow and.
I said, yeah, the same way. Look at y'all talking. Like, what are they? Yeah, they are the exact same. Talking the same way, moving the same way, acting the same way. I'm be real. If who had this little had their outfit on, you can't tell who's who, honestly.
Yeah, and
Because they acting the same. Look how they're talking. No, yeah.
just not giving me answers and stuff. Just acting a little weird.
You have a valid license somehow?
It's been a while. Last OWI was in 05.
Holy cow.
That's to the point where this person, this Midwest person, got to edit it to the point where he's editing it to me so to make it seem like, see, nigga, they got me stuttering. He's editing it to the point to make it seem like they're talking quick enough, but nah, it's really slow. You could peep the edits.
Turn his car on. Yep, he's turning his car on.
He about to dip. He about to dip. I don't even know why they outside the car trying to talk to him, trying to say, "Hey, throw the window down one last time before you drive off." Like, what do you want from him? He's about to leave, and it's sad, bro. Y'all don't run away from the police if you truly try.
Roll down this window, please. Can you roll this down? Turn your car.
Like, fool not, like, it's like, bro, feel me?
Off. Turn your car off.
Hey, Brian. Can you do me a favor and step out of the vehicle for me? Huh? No, sir?
Just step
Why
out.
is that? I'm lawfully telling you to step out of the vehicle. Nope, you have to step out of the vehicle.
There's no reason for you to step out of the vehicle.
Nah, well, I'm be real, nah, yeah, my nigga, don't step out my wigger, wherever you, feel me, it don't matter. Brother, man, don't, feel me? Hey, man, don't step out the vehicle, you feel me? Because I'm be real, they talking about taking you back to the lobby, my nigga. After they see jail cell, nah, they talking about lobby, so I don't know what they talking about, I'm be real.
Open the door. Don't take off.
Do not do that.
Don't take off.
Take off.
Turn off the car now.
You're not gonna do it, you won't.
It's either you
It's like, nah.
got two options. You can step out of the car and I'm going to break this window.
He's taking off. Yeah.
He drove off slow? Probably is drunk. He put his headlights on. He drunk, but he trying to drive safe. I feel him. Hold on.
Yeah.
He put his headlights on. He said, hold on, yo. What that guy for me? Let me drive safe, y'all. You feel me? I love to see that, you feel me? The driving safe part, not him running away from the police. He put the headlights on. The only thing he did is signal out. He did a signal. He used a signal on. He said he was a signal.
20.
Oh, snap.
To dispatch. He took off. It's going to be a 55 investigation. Northbound, coming up to Layton. Speed 60. Passing Layton.
Like, there's nobody outside? What's going on over here? Where is it? For me, it's probably like really early. Yeah, it gotta be early.
If Greenfield can get sticks up somewhere. And we're passing the interstate, continuing northbound on Loomis. Passing 43rd, and still continuing. Speeds about 50.
Bro. This nigga used a signal. I was... Yo, you wanna get caught. Yo.
Why don't you call it, Ellis? We're gonna go back, southbound.
He driving the most illegal way I seen. Like, bro, hold on. Like, this would be a side effect.
Southbound on Loomis, coming up 43rd. No traffic.
Or really it might be because this is look. He thought there was ground below. What are you talking about? You feel me? Or I'm trying to see, but I don't want to skip it.
Trust me when I say this, I tried everything.
He's bold. He's a brave guy. I'm gonna be honest with you. For me, I ain't driving legal, and he put the middle finger out the car for the cops to see. I mean, and people do that. The cops will already want to pull you over, if you pull someone over for doing that. So for me, so now they about to pimp maneuver him.
Appears you're trying to go eastbound at 894.
GTA.
Catching in pursuit of a vehicle for intoxication when you found
Oh yeah, he thinks it's GTA.
You're at 20 miles an hour right now.
It is confirmed the registered owner.
Brian J. Anderson out of Hartford.
Screenville Police Department is going to be eastbound 894 from Loomis. Possible 55. Speed's going to be at 60 miles an hour. Traffic is lights. Roads are dry. We're going to be passing 27th Street, continuing eastbound 894. Speeds are at 77 miles an hour.
Very light traffic, roads are dry. 495, we're making all that.
He's still using his turning signal. I'm gonna be real. Catch him. Like, for me, I want him to get caught now. I'm gonna be real with you. For me, first I was for him, because he didn't really do nothing too wrong. But it's like, bro, if you're gonna be legal and do all this legal ass money, you might as well give your license and just said, bro, I just stepped out the car, my nigga, and try to go home. You feel me? Because now you finna go to prison. And I don't want fool in prison. But it's like, bro, you becoming a threat to everybody in the road. There's nobody on the road, but what if a deer might pop up? You might get afraid of your turn signal, my nigga, and hit another car. They keep using his turn signals. And he not even using his turn signals efficiently, using his turn signals to go, make, for example, turn signal right, then go left. Nah, he's using his turn signals to go right, and he's going right. He do it, feel me, like this. He ain't playing no games about the legal traffic laws. He trying to show him, nah, man, I was driving legally.
So now, 27th Street from 894, he ran the red light at 27.
Continuing northbound on 27th, he is in the left lane.
He is all over the road, possible 55.
Yeah.
Help me! He's trying to jump the fence over onto the freeway. Help me! Clear that lane! Do not do this, man. That's a fine.
What the? Oh no. What the? This ain't even funny. Yo, this is crazy. Like, yeah, feel me? We have our moments, you feel me? But bro, it's okay, bro. And the world get better. All jokes and all lies, bro. That's not even funny, bro. Cause he's probably going through something. He's probably stressed, bro. I'm gonna be real. Feel me? Yeah, we have to be funny and laugh and stuff. You feel me? And to be honest with you, feel me? This probably one of the white fools who be commenting racist on the videos. People, y'all defend me. When y'all just talk about the vid, like anybody who's saying, you feel me? Somebody saying, anybody will talk about it, you feel me? Like good things about the vids, I'll post, you feel me? Or anybody post, but the people, the racist trolls who leave the racist comments, this probably, you feel me, you want to fool, right? You feel me? Yeah, still, bro, it's okay because you got love, feel me, but you gotta act this way, bro. You gotta, feel me, to be honest with you, and I'm saying this because I'm looking at the comments, they talking about how I'm speaking. Yeah, you feel me, I'm not the best pronouncer of words, my nigga, my peoples. My Mexicano people, my Dominicano people, my Puerto Rican people, my Indian people, my Chinese people. You feel me? We all human. We supposed to be like these. So why leave a racist comment? Why? But you feel me? My nigga, you feel me? It's like, it is what it is, you feel me? But much love to all y'all still though, you feel me? And back to like this, how it's similar to this, because people, you don't know what someone's going through, bro. So you always try to be loving, always forgiving. And yeah, even myself, you still have our moments, you feel me? So we make mistakes, but don't make a mistake you can't come back from. Let your mistakes be just, you feel me? Like, you can't come back from certain things, so don't do too much, bro, for real. Like, take it from me, I feel me? I mess up all the time, bro, truthfully. So just try to do this right, stay consistent. If you got a cat or dog and when they get the zoomies, my nigga, you get scared. Like, why you running for me? You wanna run. You feel me? But like I was saying, you feel me? Stay consistent, be loved, be yourself, and be nobody else, my nigga. You feel me? No cap.
Oh, can you grab his? Can you get up? Grab him?
Just hang on, we got more hands coming.
It's okay.
I need hands up here!
No, you don't. You need no hands.
Get hands up here!
No, you don't.
Okay, if there's one AI site builder you need to meet, it's this dope tech from Wix.
That's just fine.
No, he's gonna fall.
Grab him.
And this person talking about it, he thought it was ground below. Nah, and then for me, like, you feel me, like, bro, that sounds like, yeah, I understand it's content, but I didn't think it was like this. You feel me, like, feel me, type of ish. In the movies, don't they have like that mattress? Like, all jokes aside, you feel me, like, yeah, I probably think I'm trying to know for real. They have a mattress when someone's trying to do things like this. They have a mattress to put out, so they get caught. They're able to catch them. Feel me? But I'm trying, you feel me? Y'all probably want to hear what I'm talking about. You feel me? Psych, nigga, this is my channel from dictatorship. So I'm playing. But I'll just decide that, you feel me? Like I said, just be yourself, to be nobody else. I'm thinking this video is gonna be like why he jumped type of vid, feel me? I don't know if y'all seen that, why he jumped. That was a funny vid. But this one will keep more sad. I'm gonna be real with you.
Come on!
Cause like, look, bro. I'm feel me? This not gonna be my thumbnail. I'm gonna be real.
Sir!
I might.
No! Let me assist. Oh, no, come on. No. Come on. Let's go. Put your name behind your back now. Bring a taste.
Do not resist, you can get tased. I got the second one here.
You got him?
Yep, one's good. Good? 24, we're taking into custody. Are we good?
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah, we're all
Yeah, everyone's good.
Everyone good?
Oh, hey, Jimmy. Oh, you guys are... That's all. Jimmy. Woo!
Alright, man, stand up. Stand.
Let's walk him back to my squad here.
Let's go this way.
Where's Jimmy? South Milwaukee. Yeah.
I wouldn't try to name drop him.
I know. I'm just
Yeah, he was right at the stop. He was trying to cut the front. Excuse me, company.
Okay. Go. No,
That's fine.
The suspect, Brian Anderson, was taken into custody after officers pulled him back to safety during the overpass incident. He was transported for medical evaluation and now faces multiple charges, including OWI 6th offense, second-degree recklessly endangering safety, and fleeing from an officer. According to available records, there is not yet sentencing information documented for this case, and all suspects are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
What stood out to me with these officers was
Nigga, feel me? I'm be wrong. If fool is black, I never try to put fool under the prison. You feel me? Fool to that. He driving through car, you know, feel me? They probably say he was just turning signal, so feel me? Let him get probation. But we know the real reason why.